Want to make money online fast? Here are 3 simple ways you can start today. First, try freelancing. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork let you offer your skills writing, graphic design, or even voiceovers. You set your rates and earn per gig. Show screenshots of Fiverr cup work, people working, and money being earned. Second, consider affiliate marketing. Share products you love through unique links and earn a commission on every sale. Perfect for social media enthusiasts. Display an example of an affiliate link followed by a product and a sales notification. Finally, sell digital products like books or courses. Once you create them, they keep earning you money with zero extra work. Show a digital product, sales notifications, and a satisfied customer. Start today and watch your income grow. Like and subscribe for more quick money-making tips. Thumbs up, subscribe button, and a cheerful ending.